Allow me to extend my sincerest appreciation to His Excellency President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. for gracing this occasion with his presence. Mr. President, your steadfast commitment to national unity and development continues to inspire hope and confidence among our people. Your support for sports as a vehicle for nation building affirms our shared belief that excellence and discipline are powerful instruments for shaping a stronger Philippines. To our gracious First Lady, Ma'am Lisa Araneta Marcos, thank you for honoring us with your presence. Your dedication to cultural preservation and social development reflects a deep commitment to uplifting the Filipino spirit and nurturing the values that define us as a nation. I likewise extend my heartfelt gratitude to Chairman Patrick Pato Gregorio and the Philippine Sports Commission for your tireless efforts in advancing Philippine sports and empowering our athletes. Your leadership ensures that the legacy we celebrate today will continue to inspire generations to pursue excellence with integrity and honor. Today's ceremony transcends the simple transfer of treasured items. This memorabilia represents stories of perseverance, sacrifice, faith, and unwavering determination. They stand as enduring reminders that every triumph achieved was made possible through the collective prayers, support, and unity of the Filipino people. Each piece carries with it the spirit of a nation that believes in courage, resilience, and the power of dreams. They are not merely symbols of victories inside the ring, but reflections of the Filipino character, strong in adversity, humble in success, and steadfast in faith. It is my earnest hope that this memorabilia will serve as a source of inspiration for our youth and future generations. May they remind every Filipino that greatness is not measured solely by achievements, but by the strength of one's character, the depth of one's faith, and the willingness to serve others with humility and compassion. As I continue my boxing career, and as a public servant, I remain committed to advancing opportunities that empower our people, particularly our youth, to realize their full potential. Together, let us continue to cultivate a culture of excellence, discipline, and patriotism that will guide our nation toward a brighter and more prosperous future. May this occasion reaffirm our shared commitment to preserving the legacy of Filipino excellence and passing on the values of perseverance, honor, and service to the generations that will follow. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, sa inyong patuloy na suporta at pagkilala sa ating bayan. Mabuhay po tayong mga Pilipino, mabuhay ang bansang Pilipinas.